Quixx, the experts for surface technology, present the first-class paint repair pen with genuine clear lacquer. Do you have stone chips or very deep scratches in the paint? Using conventional polishes many times, such damages cannot be rectified. The cost for repair in the workshop can quickly accrue to a small fortune. However, using the Quixx paint repair pen, no problem. The clear lacquer in the pen even assists with extremely deep scratches and stone chips in paints of all color and gloss paints. It's so easy. Apply the clear lacquer with a fine tip and allow it to take effect. The specially developed paint formula dries within minutes and the scratch has disappeared. This is how it works. Because of its precise tip and optimum flow characteristics, the Quixx pen precisely fills in the scratch and harmoniously binds it to the original paint. The result? A surface free of scratches. Always ready to use, the Quixx paint repair pen is a quick, do-it-yourself solution for problematic scratches and stone chips in all gloss paints and paints of all colors. Easily attain professional results in an instant and preserve the good appearance and value of your vehicle. And that without the expensive invoices from the workshop. Remove even deep scratches yourself from cars, motorcycles, caravans, or boats. In no time, free of scratches in professional quality. Quick, no problems, and permanent. Quixx works. The Quixx repair system also provides other do-it-yourself solutions made in Germany. The paint scratch remover for all depths of scratches. The express scratch remover for light scratches. The scratch remover for acrylic and perspex. The headlight restoration kit. The all-metal polish.